And so different type of gating systems are there. These gating systems are depends on the direction of parting line. Generally parting line will be the horizontal. After drag and below cope. So in between drag and cope is the parting line. So parting plane is there, which contains the sprue, runner and in-gate. Thus gating system is divided: horizontal gating system and other gating system, vertical gating system, top gating system, bottom gating system, like different type of gating systems are there. So what is a horizontal gating system? Generally horizontal gating systems are maximum used. This type is normally applied in the ferrous metals. Horizontal gating systems are used if 1 mark question comes in the examination. Please remember, 1 mark question in your mid exams will come. 1 mark question. The horizontal gating system is used for the normally ferrous metals, sand casting. And gravity die casting used for the non-ferrous metals. For flat casting, those who are used for those who are filled under gravity. Vertical gating system, generally vertical gating system is used for tall casting. Those castings are very, very tall and where high pressure mold are used. High pressure mold, I told, die casting. Under machine all work is being done. So high pressure mold are used. Their die castings are used. So where the die casting is used and tall castings, big castings, more height castings and high pressure we use system, then we use the vertical gating system. Vertical gating systems are used in the tall casting where high pressure is utilized and cell more and die casting processes are done. Die casting we apply the high pressure. So their vertical gating system can be there. Now top gating system. What is a top gating system? This is applied in place where the hot metal is poured from top of the casting. Just now I showed horizontally in the runner, horizontally metal was moving and entering inside the casting. In the figure just now I shown. But if metal is directly entering in the casting from top, that is nothing, that is top gating system. What is the advantage? Why we need? So metal is entering inside the mold cavities from top. That's why it is called top gating system. It helps directional solidification. This is very much useful. This helps in the directional solidification, and directional solidification is very much useful for the casting. What is the directional solidification? Directional solidification is that we must design our gating system in such a way so that the farthest portion of the metal from the point where from we are feeding should first solidify, and solidification should start from that point. What is the advantage? Suppose during solidification shrinkage took place and this shrinkage is so much, your dimensional accuracy will go off. So now at this position, the other metal which has not freezed so far, that will flow up to there and it will make the good amount of the required amount of the molten metal at that point. So it will not get a defect. So that's why directional solidification is the we must achieve in the design. But this top gating system, if your casting design is the flat, it is easy from top you can pour. But if it is not a horizontal, it is not a flat, then it is difficult. If the as directly from top metal is coming, its velocity may also go, it may damage also during initial filling. So that's why we have to control the velocity and we ensure that the mold cavity are not damaged. Then next comes your bottom gating system. What is the bottom gating system? Very easy. If the molten metal is coming from the top, then it is a top gating system. If the molten metal is coming from the bottom, bottom gating system means molten metal is coming from the bottom gating system through the bottom. Middle gate, it has characteristics of both top and bottom. So now you understood here what is their main point. The metal is entering from the bottom. That's it. It's called bottom gating system. Now next, middle gating system. Now middle gating system, from middle it will enter, but it will have the advantage of both top gating system as well as for bottom gating system. Because when it is entering at the middle, for coke purpose it becomes the bottom gating system, and for dry purpose it becomes top gating system. So both the advantage of top gating system and bottom gating system can you enjoy with the above middle gating system. Let us summarize our topic today, which we have covered. First we have taken riser. What is a riser? Riser is nothing. It is a reservoir in which molten metal is there. During solidification or on solidification, when metal sink, after shrinking this metal from the reservoir, after shrinking this metal from the reservoir, it will go to the casting, metal casting. Thus, a required amount of the metal will be provided to the casting, and the shrinkage compensation can be maintained with the help of the reservoir. That is the purpose of the reservoir. What should be the riser? What should be the shape of the riser? What should be the volume of the riser? These are the design consideration. So shape of the riser should be cylindrical, because if you make it cylindrical, longer you have to make, and in that case the metal inside the riser will get solidified afterwards. The complete metal has solidified, complete casting has solidified. So it is, one point is very much clear here. The requirement of design is that the solidification period of the riser should be greater than the solidification period of the casting. Another here design consideration is there. How much volume? The volume of the riser should be 3 times the shrinkage volume of the metal. What should be the volume of the riser? The volume of the riser should be 3 times the shrinkage volume of the metal. These all are the riser requirements. Next comes to your gating system. What is a gating system? Gating system consists of many elements, such as, start from top, by which we are pouring, ladle, basin, sprue, then horizontal runner, in-gate, riser. Total becomes a gating system all these elements is joined together, it becomes the gating system. With this gating system, metal will flow properly, velocity will be optimized, neither high nor less. If the velocity of the metal flowing through gating system is very high, erosion of the soil will take place. Soil edges will fall down in the cavity, and this will create a lot of problem that soil get mixed with your casting. Inclusion takes place. At these places, it becomes the weak. So gating system design ensures that, what it will ensure? It will ensure that proper optimized velocity of the hot metal, liquid metal is maintained. The gating ratio is important factor here. The gating ratio in the beginning of the, where from metal is entering, to at the end, in gates should be in such a way that it should be in the decreasing order, so that metal can flow easily. Gating system, there are different type of gating system, such as horizontal gating system, vertical gating system, top gating system, and bottom gating system. Intermediate gating system, which got the benefit of both top also, bottom gating also. So thank you very much. Please ask the doubt if any, then I will give the assignment. Explain the gating system and riser functions. What are the functions of the riser? Explain gating system. What is the gating system? Please write. Explain the gating system and riser function. What are the function of the riser? Thank you.